So we're on our way to the Jungle Bike Tour, and this is I thought our area was chaotic with this guy on his motorcycle.
This is amazing.
I love this.
I love this too.
I'm just glad I'm not driving.
Yeah, you were the one who wanted to get a motorcycle, didn't you?
Yeah.
What I should have said, and it would have quieted you real quick, was after you.
If I could get my head coordinated about driving on the wrong side of the road, I might say, hey, let's try this.
Right.
But
I don't know if I would be that brave, Dana. You definitely have to drive aggressively.
Yeah.
Or passively.
Passive aggressive.
Zoom in a little bit.
That's it, passive aggressive,
นี่
exactly.
ก็อยู่ในเวลาอยู่ในปัดอธิบายเรื่องโรงเรียนในวัดนี่ตลอดโรงเรียนวัดมันตั้งแต่รัชสมัยรัชกาลที่ 6 เริ่มตั้ง
So, I was telling Jody that I'm talking to myself. Don't pay attention to me.
He's making a video so we can remember this.
Yeah, so Jody and I was talking that this reminded me of the United States until in the last 10 minutes here, it doesn't remind me of the United States. It's like a big wide alley, kind of. I was asking the driver if they run over people on the motorbikes. He said not today so far. No, he didn't say that. I was thinking that in the United States, people would be honking each other constantly because of all this chaos, but here everybody seems to accept it. So